Alright, I just picked her up from getting, as you can see, some new set of shoes on the front and the rear, and that still has the sticker on the front. Am I recording? Alright, I just picked her up from getting, as you can see, some new set of shoes on the front and the rear. And that still has the sticker on the front. I don't know why they didn't take this off. It's supposed to be like that. Motorcycles are built like that. The other light is for the bright light. Oh, for real? Yeah, only one light on one side works.
It's on my bike right here.
Oh, some motorcycles are like the newer generation. Only one light works. The other side is the bright light. Yeah.
You got it right here?
Huh?
You just got it?
No, I've been had. I just got the new tires put on, and they left the tape on. They left the tape on the wheels. I don't get it.
I like it. I love the color, but I would never drive one of those, man.
No.
I bought myself a Honda Rebel.
Oh, okay.
I love it.
Oh, okay.
I'm afraid of this, man.
I guess when I get older, I have to go with the like the Harleys and stuff like that. As I get older.
This looks fun, but it's just...
I know. I get it. I get it. I get it. The officer thought that I was, you know, one of my lights were out, but I guess he didn't realize or understand that that's how these motorcycles are built. Certain generations like this one, crotch rockets, you only get one side of the light. The other side of the light is for the bright lights. He has a motorcycle, but it's like a Harley, so that's what he thought was supposed to happen with this one. So I gotta stop and get some fuel. I don't know how much gas I have in here, so I don't want to take that chance. And I can remove that tape. The officer said I had one light out. I said, no, that's how they're built. And because he has a motorcycle, but not like this. He has like a Harley. Alright, I got some gas. I took that tape off. Again, I got 2 brand new shoes on here, tires. So I have to take it easy. I can't do nothing wild because they're new tires. And if you're a rider, you know you can't go wild and all out with new tires. Getting ready for MotoGP up in Houston, Texas, where I'll be riding with those guys up there. ZS10 Mez, S4K Rafa, Jack B. Quick, twin, turbo twins. Probably a few others. I don't know if Fastlane D or any of those guys are going to be there. But I'm getting it right, getting it ready. She feels much better. The tires I had on here before was track tires for track days. So I had to change those out. Now I've got to go home and clean her. They left her sitting outside. When they finish with it, I understand you're working on all the bikes, but sitting outside collecting all that dust when this should have been ready yesterday. So disappointed with them because I told them I needed it yesterday. And they say, yeah, you bring it in before 9 o'clock, we'll have it ready for you by the end of the day. Then they called me at the end of the day and said that their machine broke, which I honestly don't think was the truth. Alright, dump truck, you better slow it down. We got a curve up here that doesn't require a lot of speed to tilt over. Gonna realize that. He's not loaded. Wow, what was that? Like I hit a board or something in the road. It was so hard. I just lose. Something came off. I felt it. Great. What was that? It was kind of soft though. Tonight. I don't know if it's gonna happen. I haven't heard anything yet. Hopefully it doesn't rain. I didn't see nothing in front of me, so it's gotta be something that came off of my bike that I felt. Last time I felt something like that, this came off of my frame slider. But as you can see, it's still there and I glued it in this time. But I have no idea what was that came off. for the video for today. It's a little short video. I picked her up, got some new shoes. New shoes on my ride. Rolling down 95. That's right. So if you made it this far in the video, as always, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, hit that bell to be reminded of new video and content when I upload. This is your boy Gottem POV. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, Razzie.
Feel it's my time, think it's my big dog, walking big talk, young veteran, living legend, bet I'm better than them. This is my shit.